So we have added our disk to our ec2 instance. If I do fdisk -l, make sure you're in as root, you can see these 4 disks that I've added: xvdf, xvdg, xvdh, xvdi, and those are the ones we're going to use to mirror together. So let's look at the mdadm. mdadm is a command that's built already in for us. mdadm, manage MD devices, or in essence doing Linux software RAID. Okay, so let's just suppose that I want to mirror 2 of these devices together. So once again, look at my 2 devices. Let's just say it's xvdf and xvdg. So I need to specify the 2 devices that I'm going to mirror together, xvda and dev xvdg. So the number of RAID devices is 2. We're going to be using, oops, not A, I didn't mean A. Sorry, I meant F. Anyway, we're going to be creating them in a mirrored configuration, level 1. It says, hey, whoa, this, I'd already done this before, so it says, whoa, it might have some array metadata at the front. Are you sure you want to do this? So yes. So I'd already done that once, but anyway, now it says it's created, and we can do a query command to look at our dev md0 that we created from up above. Great, so it gives me detailed information. It's RAID 1. Here's my array size. So once again, it's mirrored, so it should only be about 1 gig, which is about what I see. 2 devices are participating here, that sort of thing. Another command that we could do is mdadm qd that gives the same information, dev md0, pretty much the same stuff. And a cat proc mdstat will give us some information as well about md0. It says it's active right now. mdadm examine. If I want to examine a single device, I have dev xvdg to look at the disk itself. I could see that it's participating in this RAID 1 array, and it tells me some information about the sectors, maybe where the bad blocks are stored, that it's currently active. Anyway, once it's configured, so it's dev md0 is what I created, so I could then do something like put a format, a file system on it, mkfs ec2 dev md0. So now we've done that. I could then mount it, temp mount dev md0 onto temp mount, and I could put some file there, and great, it's stored on that RAID array. A couple other things we can do, let's just, if I umount my temp mount, and then it's not mounted anymore. I guess we could have seen if I mount it back again, and we should be able to see it show up here. Great, I've used 1% of the approximately 1 gigabyte that I have on that mirror array. But anyway, I want to unmount it. So we're going to unmount it, and then I can do mdadm stop dev md0. We're going to stop mirroring it. I could then, if I want to delete it, I can say remove, or, yeah, let's see here. Let's do fdisk -l again. It looks like it was removed. It doesn't show up here as md0, so that's one way we can get rid of it. So there's a quick overview on mdadm on ec2.